Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a Stripe feed to Xero. Connecting a Stripe feed to Xero is one of the most useful integrations for businesses that receive online payments. Instead of manually recording Stripe transactions, the integration automatically brings payment activity into Xero, making reconciliation faster and financial tracking more accurate. But many people confuse a Stripe feed with a normal bank feed. They work similarly, but Stripe transactions involve payment processing, fees, transfers, and payouts that need proper syncing. A Stripe feed connects your Stripe account directly to Xero, so payment transactions can flow automatically into your accounting records. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll access the banking section. Click Accounting, then click on Bank Accounts. Why Stripe appears here. Even though Stripe is a payment processor, Xero treats the Stripe feed similarly to a connected financial account because transactions flow into reconciliation workflows. Then click Add Bank Account. What this does. This allows you to connect traditional bank feeds, financial institutions, and payment providers like Stripe. In the search bar, search for Stripe. What happens next? Xero displays available Stripe integration options. Click on the Stripe result from the list. This starts the authorization process between Stripe and Xero. Then click on the option that says, Sign into Stripe and connect. You're now linking your Stripe account directly to your Xero organization. Now enter your Stripe account email address. Enter your Stripe password. Then click Submit. Because financial and payment data is involved, Stripe uses strong authentication and identity verification measures. Stripe may ask for a verification code from your Authenticator app. This is called two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It adds an extra layer of security beyond just a password. Now select the Stripe account you want to connect. Then click Connect. Why this matters. Some users manage multiple Stripe accounts or businesses, so you must choose the correct one. You may now be asked to verify details such as personal information, social security number. Then click Continue. Why identity verification is required. Because Stripe handles financial transactions and regulated payment activity, identity verification helps comply with financial regulations, fraud prevention rules, payment security standards. Once connected, Stripe transactions begin syncing into Xero. Payments can appear in reconciliation. Fees and payouts may become trackable. Accounting automation improves significantly. To summarize, adding a Stripe feed to Xero begins by logging into your account and navigating to Accounting, then Bank Accounts. After clicking Add Bank Account, you search for Stripe and select the appropriate integration result. Clicking Sign into Stripe and Connect starts the authorization process, where you enter your Stripe email address, password, and a verification code from your Authenticator app. After selecting the Stripe account you want to connect, you may also need to verify personal details such as your identity information before clicking Continue. Once connected, Stripe transactions begin syncing into Xero, helping automate reconciliation and online payment tracking. And that's how to add a Stripe feed to Xero. This integration can save a huge amount of reconciliation time, but it's important to understand that Stripe payouts, fees, and transfers don't always behave exactly like normal bank transactions, so reviewing the synced data carefully still matters. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.